Guys, welcome to Catalog and Heels. If you're meeting this face for the first time, welcome. By the way, this particular topic is something that was based on popular demand. A lot of people stop me on my way and ask me how come I have beautiful face, beautiful skin, and I tell them it's because of castor oil. Yes, my castor oil. All you need to do is warm it up. Once you warm it up, you're good to go. Warm it up, you're good to go, okay? I use my castor oil practically for everything. I use it on my lash, all right? I use it on my hair. It helps the hair grow. I use it on my whole body, my skin, my legs. I hate when I see ashy skin on people. So I stay away from people whose skin are so dry. Please, if you have a very dry skin, all right, use castor oil. Just make sure it's cold pressed and unrefined and you're good to go. Oh, by the way, did I tell you I also use it on my wig? I use it on my wig, all right? I use castor oil on my wig. Here, just dab and make sure that it's evenly distributed. You will love the shine. Look at it. Look at the shine. That is how it moisturizes your skin. All right. Do you have aging hands? Watch me. Castor oil. Just make sure, like I said, that is warm. Warm it up. Okay. There's no need using all this cream. Castor does the work. Look at it. Beautiful skin, well moisturized. I work in a hospital, all right? I wash my hands every single minute, but with castor oil, my hands are never dried. It's always moisturized. That's the goodness of castor oil. Use it. Are you aging? Is your skin aging so fast that you're asking yourself? You see your peers and they have beautiful skin. You look at yourself, it looks like, oh my God, something that you can't even write home about. Use castor oil. Just warm it up. I didn't say hot. Just warm it up a little bit and put it on your entire skin, and you will see how your skin will glow. People will stop you on the way asking you, what are you using? Tell them it's castor oil, all right? We like to share everything that helps us become the better mirror image of ourselves. Whatever it is, I'm coming here to share it with you guys, okay?